Namaskar, friends. Welcome to Electronics Technology YouTube channel. Topic of defense technology news is ELTA North America wins $5 million. U.S. defense contract for counter-drone technology. ELTA North America has been awarded a $5 million contract by the U.S. Department of Defense to supply its modular anti-drone system kit, Generation 2, MADS-K. The Maryland-based company said the system was originally developed for U.S. Special Operations, USAF Force Protection, and Border Security. MADS-K is designed to provide comprehensive counter-drone protection through advanced detection, tracking, identification, and neutralization. The system integrates both hard and soft kill measures and will be deployed to support port and maritime operations for service members overseas. This award underscores ELTA North America's unwavering dedication to combating the rapidly evolving threat posed by drones, said Joe Adams, President and CEO of ELTA North America. With MADS-K, we are enhancing mission readiness and strengthening national security through cutting-edge defense solutions. Do you like this video? Please subscribe, share, like, and press bell icon for getting notifications of Electronics Technology YouTube channel, and for searching my YouTube channel, please write at the rate Electronics Technology 50.